Welcome viewers, this is Roshmi from Roshmi's Boutique of Kolkata. Today I am going to show you all silk sarees, printed silk along with silk batik. So let's start. This is saree number 1, printed silk. This is pallu part. এটা আঁচল যাচ্ছে pallu. Color is Rani color, material is Bishnupur silk, and the price is 4400. All are silk mark certified. This is the front portion. This design will come in the front portion. On the pleats you will get this type of work. I will show you the draping view of the sari. Material is Bishnupur silk. And the price is 4400. All the sarees are with silk mark certification. Just check. It will be the look of the saree. It will be the look of the saree. Pallu part. And I will show you the blouse piece also. For booking, take a screenshot. You will get this type of printed blouse piece along with the saree. First, I made the gun spray. Gun spray technique has been used, and on that block print has been done. This is the look of the entire saree. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the saree number. This is saree number 1. Price is 4400. All the sarees are with silk mark certification. Moving to the next saree, saree number 2, black. Black printed silk. Just check out. This is the pallu part. Black with red combination. In this saree also gun spray technique has been used. I have shown this design earlier also, but again with a different color combination I am showing you. This is saree number 2. This is saree number 2, upper border, and it will be the lower border. Price is same 4400 with silk mark certification, and you know the quality of my sarees. The silk material which I am providing you is thick one, and all are Bishnupur silk with silk mark certification. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the saree number. You have to pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking. Here is the blouse piece. This printed part is the blouse piece, and COD facility is available all over India. Those who will pay through Google Pay, I will send you the saree through courier. Saree number 3, another printed silk. সবগুলোই ভীষণ সুন্দর, দেখুন, দেখলে ভালো লাগবে। ভালো লাগলে একটু শেয়ার করবেন বন্ধুদের সাথে, রিলেটিভদের সাথে। If you like the sarees, please share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. It's bright yellow color. But in this saree also, this portion is with gun spray and block print. The color of the saree is bright yellow without any black. And the price is same 4400. See, just have a look. This is the entire look of the saree. Entire look of the saree. I will show you the blouse piece also. Here is the blouse piece. This printed part is the blouse piece. Price remains same. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Please put some comments and share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Saree number 4. This is also very bright one, purple with turquoise blue. See. This is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. Here is the body. Entire body purple with turquoise blue. It's very beautiful and very bright one. And the price remains same 4400. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the saree number. You have to pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking. And from now onwards, COD facility is available all over India. This is the entire look of the saree. entire look of the sari, and here is the blouse piece. Shipping charges is free all over India. This is the blouse piece, turquoise blue. Next one, number 5. Number 5, another printed silk. Pallu part. This is the pallu part. Red and black combination. Red and black combination. It's a really beautiful sari. Red with black combination. Here is the pallu. All the saris having a blouse piece, and all the saris are with silk mark certification. I will show you the sari. Just see. This is the entire look of the sari. Entire look of the sari. Pallu part. Entire look of the sari. It's very beautiful. Red and black combination. It's a unique combination with a unique block. So viewers, if you like my saris, please share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. I will show you the most interesting part is the blouse piece. Just check the blouse piece. It is black with grey colored block print. It's very different. Moving to the next sari, number 6. Number 6 is also very beautiful. See the color combination. Just check the color combination. It is maroon with orange. All over the sari you will get this type of block. It's like Jaipuri print. The price remains same, 4400. So requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. You have to pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. COD facility is also available all over India. This is the entire look of the sari. Price of this sari is 4400. This is the pallu part, and here is the blouse piece. This solid color is the blouse piece with this border. Price remains same, 4400. Now number 7. 7 is also very beautiful with a very different type of color combination. The block, all are block printed saris, but just check the designs of the saris. This is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. আমি চেষ্টা করি যতটা সম্ভব শাড়িগুলোকে ডিজাইন অর্নামেন্টাল করে আপনাদের সামনে প্রেজেন্ট করার, and to make it different than others. I don't know whether I am able to do it or not, but requesting all my viewers, if you like the saris, please put some comments. How do you like the saris? Please put some comments. Just see. This one is grey with purple combination. This is the entire look of the sari. It is also very beautiful. Price is same, 4400. All the saris are Bishnupur silk with silk mark certification. With silk mark certification, and here is the blouse piece. This stripe portion is the blouse piece. Now number 8, another beautiful black. Number 8 is another beautiful black. I will show you the entire sari. Just check. It is a plain black sari with both side border. It's really beautiful, very beautiful. খুব সুন্দর দেখতে, এবং কালার কম্বিনেশনটাও একদম ডিফারেন্ট. Just check the entire look of the sari, and the price is same, 4400, and all the saris having a blouse piece with silk mark certification. This is the pallu part. Just check the color combination of the pallu. All the saris are Bishnupur silk. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. This is sari number 8. This is sari number 8, and here is the blouse piece. This portion is the blouse piece. Sari number 9. Sari number 9, another printed silk. This is purely white color. See, upper border, this is the lower border. It will be the lower border. The entire sari is on white base, very eye soothing and sober type. This is the look of the sari. We'll get this type of border, this thin border in the upper side. Here is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. Material, all the material of the silk are Bishnupur. All are Bishnupur silk with silk mark certification, and the price is 4400. 4400. I will show you the blouse piece. This printed part is the blouse piece. এই printed blouse piece-টাই কিন্তু শাড়িটাকে একটু different করে দেবে। This is sari number 9, 4400. Now I will shift to silk batik. Always on demand. যে কালারই দেখাই আর যত ব্রাইটই দেখাই, always very much in demand. See, yellow, bright yellow color. This is pallu part, and the batik work, I don't have to say anything regarding the batik work. As you know, all are marvelous. This is the entire look. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. This is the look of the sari. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. This is sari number 10, sorry. This is sari number 10 and the price is 5150. Price is 5150. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. All the silk saris are of Bishnupur material and all are with silk mark certification. This is sari number 11. I have earlier also shown this design, but at that time I am unable to provide you or provide all of them to that same sari. It has been made again. Pallu part. See the color combination. Just check the color combination of the sari. It's really beautiful, very very beautiful. It will come in the front portion, and in the pleats you will get this type of work in the pleats also. And the combination is green with blue. Light green with blue. It will be the look, and the price same, 5150. 5150 will be the price. And here is the blouse piece. This portion is the blouse piece. Next one, number 12. Next one, number 12, another silk batik. All are Bishnupur silk. Regarding the quality, I don't have to say anything. Those who have taken, please put some comments regarding the quality. যারা নিয়েছেন একটু লিখে জানাবেন কমেন্ট সেকশনে যে কোয়ালিটি আপনাদের কি রকম লাগে। Then those who have not taken yet, they will understand, they will come to know regarding the quality of the silk. See, entire look of the sari. This is with a blue combination. Entire look. Price remains same, 5150, and all the silk are with silk mark certification. This is the entire look of the sari, and here is the blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece in this way. See, this is the blouse piece. Moving to the next sari, sari number 13. Sari number 13, brown, chocolate brown with, here is the pallu part, chocolate brown with white cracks. This is the entire look. Pallu part, front part, and in the lower part you will get this type of design. Just have a look in this way. These all are silk batik with silk mark certification, and the price is 5150. Price of all the saris are 5150. It will be the look of the sari. This is the look of the entire sari. Here is the blouse piece. You will get this type of blouse piece with this sari. Price is 5150. All the silk are with silk mark certification. This is number 14. Just check. This is the pallu part. I will show you the pallu in this way. See, this is the pallu part. It's really, these all has been done on batik work with hand batik. Just see the color combination of the sari. See the color combination of the sari. Those who are not liking the bright colors, they can go for this one. It's really very pretty one. And the price remains same, 5150. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. And here is the blouse piece. You will get this type of blouse piece with this sari. Sari number 15. Sari number 15. This is another beautiful sari with a very uncommon color. This is not sky blue, this is not navy blue, this is not teal blue. It's a combination of blue, and I will show you the designs also. Just see. It's a lighter shade of teal blue, we can say. Grayish blue, we can say this. I have shown this type of sari on white base and this one in a color base. And the price is same, 5150. 5150. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Moving to the next sari, sari number 16, purple color. Purple with brown. See, this is not black, this is brown, chocolate brown. Pallu part. Here is the pallu part. It will come in the front part and the lower border. Throughout the lower border you will get this type of design and the cracks all over the body. This one is a very bright one. Those who like bright saris, they can go for this. And the price is same, 5150. This is the look of the sari. Here is the blouse piece. Now number 17. Number 17. Pallu part. This is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. Maroon color. Maroon with white base. See the entire, all over the body you will get the batik work and see the work. I will show you in this way. It will be easier for you to understand. And the price is same, 5150. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Booking number is 9330866384. This is the entire look, and here with this sari you will get a contrast blouse piece of maroon. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Now moving to sari number 18, another beautiful sari. Just have a look on this. Just see. This is the pallu part. See the color combination of the flowers and leaves. Just check the color combination and flowers, motifs of the sari. Here is the entire look. Upper border and it will be the lower border. Price is same, 5150, and all the saris are of Bishnupur silk. Price 5150. Booking number 9330866384. In this sari also you will get a contrast blouse piece of red color. Here is the blouse piece. For booking, please take a screenshot and share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Number 19. Number 19. This one is also very pretty one. Just see. This is panel design I have shown earlier also, but after a long gap I'm showing you panel design, and the design is different, and the batik work which has been done in the sari is totally different. All are flower motif, but it is different type of flower motifs. Price is 5150. This is the entire look of the sari, and this is maroon color. This is maroon color, and here is the blouse piece. It will be the blouse piece. Next one, number 20. 20 is also another very beautiful sari. Just have a look. I will show you the pallu in this way. Check the pallu part. This is the pallu part, and the color is blue. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera, so for any clarification you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number. For the real picture you can ask for the real picture, I will send you the real picture also. This is the entire look of the sari. This is the entire look of the sari. This one is also very beautiful. খুব সুন্দর দেখতে, এবং কাজটাকে please do appreciate the work. I'm showing you the saris, but the person who is making, my brothers, those who are making the batik work, please do appreciate them. See the work and neatness of the work. Pallu, and here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Now sari number 21, Rani color. Another bright color, those who loves to wear dark color saris. Pallu part. This is the pallu part. It will be the entire body with rose motif. Just see the color combination of the rose motifs. This is the entire look, and the price remains same, 5150. 5150. This is the look. Here is the blouse piece. As I told you, booking number is 9330866384. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. You have to pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking. I will send you the sari through courier, but now onwards you will get the COD facility all over India, and I do not have any COD charges. See, this is the pallu part. The body, just check the body. This one is also Rani color with a bright Rani and black combination. See the color combination of the sari, so beautiful and bright, and the price remains same, 5150. For booking, take a screenshot. This is the blouse piece, and WhatsApp me on my number 9330866384. 23, another purple. As you know, purple is very much in this year. Pallu part. This is a diagonal design, so I will show you in this way. See, now just check the sari. This is a diagonal design, and the price is same, 5150. 5150. The color is purple with white cracks and multicolor flower. Booking number is 9330866384. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera, so you can call me, you can WhatsApp me for the real picture of the sari. Here is the blouse piece. That's all for today, and the booking number, I repeat, 9330866384. Please do share with your friends and relatives.